Hi, I'm Adam Daly, Modernisation Director at KONE Australia and New Zealand. When an elevator starts to show its age, a full replacement isn't always the answer. That's why we've developed the KONE MonoSpace Upgrade, a smart, modular approach that replaces only the components that need updating or provides options to better suit your planning and budget requirements. It's faster, more cost-effective, and designed to extend the life of your elevator by up to 20 years. It uses our latest energy-efficient technologies to reduce power consumption and enable smart maintenance solutions like predictive maintenance and remote rescue to provide better long-term performance of your equipment. Modular modernisation lets you modernise what matters, restoring performance, improving safety and enabling digital services, all while keeping downtime and costs low. Through this process, we retain the structural parts of an elevator, so the heavy-duty items such as car rails, the counterweight, the landing doors and the frames. These components are safe to retain without impacting the life of the equipment. It's the smarter, faster and greener way to future-proof your elevator with minimal disruption to your building.